Hey guys, this is Ben Pasquino with Team Tender on the Be Safe Gannett expedition. So day one, we're here at Little Seneca Lake, and I seem to have gotten a couple blisters. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this tincture of benzoin that's in the ultralight watertight medical kit, point 0.7, and we're going to shut the blister, essentially gluing the blister flap back over the skin so that it'll protect it, and then we're going to apply some glacier gel, and this is going to help heal it and allow me to hike tomorrow. So here we go. This may hurt a little. Oh god. Yep, it hurts a lot. Oh, son of a bitch. God. That, oh, felt like razors. Whew. Yeah, we're gonna do good tomorrow. Foot number 2, and we're gonna apply some glacier gel. So, and take a minute. Here we go. Put the back off. Make sure it doesn't fold on itself. Perfect. And that is going to help protect it tomorrow when we continue our hike. Thanks, everyone.